You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word, isn't it? Isn't it curious? Well, the British English pronunciation is pronounced as oars. 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 Now in American English the R is actually pronounced and it's pronounced oars. This is the plural of the word oar. One oar, several oars. Oars. In American English, how to pronounce oars. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.